Alright, let's solve equations with two steps. So when you're working with equations, you have to think of order of operations backwards, because we already know the answer. So in this equation we have 3x plus 5 equals 26. We know the answer is 26. So we have to work backwards to find what it is we started with. So you got to think of order operations backwards. So first we need to get rid of addition and subtraction, then multiplication and division, then exponents, and then parentheses. Well, first we have addition and subtraction. So we got to get rid of addition. So the opposite of adding 5 is going to be subtracting 5. So I'm going to subtract 5 from both sides. So 5 minus 5 is 0. So I'm just left with 3x. And then 26 minus 5 is 21. So now I have a one-step equation. I have 3x equals 21. So the opposite of multiplying by 3 is dividing by 3. So I'm going to divide both sides by 3, and I get x is equal to 7. Alright, so let's do another one. So again, I have p divided by 4 minus 8 equals 3, so I need to get rid of the subtraction first. So the opposite of minus 8 is going to be adding 8 to both sides. So I'm left with p divided by 4 equals 3 plus 8 is 11. Now I got to get rid of the divide by 4, so the opposite of dividing by 4 is going to be multiplying by 4. So I'm going to be left with p equals 44. Now when you do these, you can always check your answer. And to check your answer, all you do is put your answer in for whatever your variable originally was. So let's look at that. So I got 44 divided by 4 minus 8 equals 3. So 44 divided by 4 is going to be 11. So I got 11 minus 8 equals 3. 11 minus 8 is 3, which equals 3. I got a true statement, so I know I did that problem correctly. Alright, so you and two friends are going to dinner. You're going to split the cost evenly. The total is $42, but you have a $3 off coupon. How much does each person pay? So first thing we need to know is total. So we need something equal to $42. And then we have you and two friends. So that's 3 people times what each person pays. So what each person pays times 3. But then we have a $3 off coupon. So we're going to add 3 to what the total that the 3 of us pay to equal our total of $42. So now we have a two-step equation we can solve. 3x plus 3 equals 42. So we're going to start by getting rid of the addition. So we're going to minus 3 from both sides. And we get 3x equals 39. So then we're going to divide by 3 on both sides to get rid of the multiplication. So we're going to get x equals 13. So each person is going to pay $13. And we can check ourselves by putting that back into the original equation. So 3 times 13 plus 3 equals 42. So 3 times 13, 3 times 3 is 9, 3 times 1 is 3. So I got 39 plus 3 equals 42. And then 39 plus 3 is 42, which equals 42. So we got a true statement. So we know we did that correctly. Alright, let's do one more problem. So it costs $10 to get into the fair and $3 per ride. If you spent $28, how many rides did you go on? So we have a total there of $28. So we know something has to equal 28. We know it costs $10 to get in. That's just a one-time cost, so we're going to add that. And then it costs $3 per ride. So I'm going to have 3R. So 3R plus 10 equals 28. So we're going to solve this first by getting rid of the addition. So subtract 10 from both sides. And we get 3R equals 18. And then divide by 3 on both sides. And we get R equals 6. So you rode 6 rides. So let's just check and make sure we did that correctly. So we're going to do 3 times 6 plus 10 equals 28. 3 times 6 is 18, plus 10 equals 28, 18 plus 10 is 28, which equals 28. Got a true statement, so I know I did that correctly.